is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. For today's video, we're gonna be working a little bit on this 2G. So you guys can see the engine bay is pretty dirty and pretty nasty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it up. We're not gonna get too crazy with the bay, but we're gonna go ahead and clean it up, wash it up, and we're actually gonna paint it black. So we're gonna use your normal rattle can, just how I done to Andy's, and actually that's how I did it to the 2G. I mean the 2G, the 1G DSM. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the power steering, these lines, and the fuse box, and move the battery out of the way, and move all this harness down here so we can wash this up, and then I can get it sprayed. So that is gonna be the plan for today. So just a little update on this car. We do have the block is ready, and so is the head. We're waiting. I was waiting on the machine shop to give a measure as far as how big the board was going to be on the block. So now he actually called me yesterday and he confirmed the size of the board, so we're good with that. All we got to do now is actually order the parts, and then parts will start coming in so we can start getting this thing put together. So it's been a while and it's been taking some time, but it's just he's been having a lot of things to do, and and this is the machine shop guy I'm talking. So he's been really busy. So you know, I don't like to hurry him or pressure him or anything. I like him take his time and do his job the way it's supposed to be. But now that we have all that, now we're gonna start actually ordering parts. Yeah, guys, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead. I have my pressure washer ready here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that going, and I'm gonna remove some of the stuff here. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so it's a pretty simple process just to remove some of these brackets. I just want to get as more coverage as I can on all these things, so you guys can see there, you know, it's scraping off and whatever, but it'll look a lot better with a little bit of paint on there. So yeah, I have most of this stuff off. I just got to get this bolt so I can move that to the side. Got to move this battery out the way, and we can start washing her up. So I have sprayed the bay with some degreaser. I'm letting it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the power washer. So here you go, guys. Let me show you guys a little before. You guys have all this, the mount right there where the mount goes. It's all pretty jacked up. And on this side you have all that. So check it out, and it should look a lot better when we're done. So the color we're gonna go with is black. He does have a pretty sick red valve cover, so it should look good. Black engine bay with this red valve cover, so it should look pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this started and start hitting this with the power washer. So I got that all washed up. I'm gonna go ahead and get some sandpaper, and I'm gonna start sanding it down, all the little rough edges that it has, like that one right there, some around here. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it up and then let it dry, and then we can go ahead and hit it with some paint. Here we go. So I got most of the things taped up that I don't want to get paint on, and the rest we're gonna hit it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting it with some paint. So yeah, check out the before. So let's get it with that paint. Alright, so I gave it like your first little base coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for a little bit, and then I'll hit it with a second one. Might do it like 3 times. So, but yeah, man, already starting to look a lot better than what it was. So stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, guys, check it out. So I am done with this bay. It looks a lot better than what it was. So check it out. Woo. A lot of the stuff you won't be able to see, like the back, so I'm not too worried about that. But main thing is right here, right there, and this over here. So that's the main thing that, you know, most you see. All this and all this. So came out pretty good. I'm not a professional painter or anything like that, but it sure does beat the way it was. So I'm happy with the results. What do you guys think? And like I said, after this, we're gonna go ahead and start ordering parts for this DSM to get her going. So yep, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I also did the one on my first gen with a rattle can, and it came out pretty good too. So it's just wiping it down, sanding it down a bit, and getting it cleaned up right, and it comes out pretty decent. So that's that. And as far as on the Evo, give you guys a little update on the Evo. She's coming along. Alrighty, guys, so that is gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed just that little, it was a really short video about the engine bay for the 2G. So hopefully you guys liked it. Please give it that thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And sorry it wasn't that long of a video like I usually do, but nice little short video. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Have a good one, guys.